Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to delete your Facebook account permanently. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on Facebook. Then tap on menu. Scroll down and tap settings and privacy. Then tap settings. Then tap here, scroll down and tap personal details. Then tap account ownership and control. Then tap deactivation or deletion. Then tap your account Facebook that you want to delete. And here tap delete account for delete account permanently. Then tap continue. Then here you can choose the reason. Tap continue, scroll down and tap continue, and now enter your password of your account. After entering your password, tap continue, then tap delete account. And now guys, we delete our account permanently. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.